gonna teach you how to dance? Who's gonna show you how to fly? Who's gonna call you on the lame, dope, smoking, slacking little sucker you are?
What's up, guys? It's Adam with CaliToys.com. Just doing another update video again today of my 2004 Chevy Silverado HD 2500 8.1 liter. Video before, I've got the cutoff exhaust right there right after the cab and sounded real raspy and absolutely hated it. So today I went ahead and had a Y pipe welded on, and I carried it out, extended out the pipe and all the way out to the rear differential and put a 5-inch tip angle down. Sounds a lot better. It's quieted down, not as loud, and sounding like a farm truck. I still might go ahead and put mufflers on it because I'm still not quite satisfied with it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up and see what you guys think.